In this video, I'm going to be detailing the steps to take to remove the mower deck from this John Deere D105 riding mower. The steps I'm going to be highlighting in this video will be applicable to the vast majority of the John Deere D-Series riding mowers, as well as other brands and makes on the market, with possible minute changes between each. In order to prepare for removal of the deck, blocks of wood will be placed under each side to support it. The deck can be lowered onto the blocks of wood. The cotter pin from the blade engagement cable can be removed, followed by the spring that attaches to the engagement arm. The belt can be removed by sliding it over the guide arm on each side. At the front of the machine, the stabilizing arm can be removed by taking out the cotter pin and washer. Let's make sure that once we remove it, we put the washer and cotter pin back where it went so we remember when reassembling. On the side of the unit, we could go ahead and remove the hook that attaches the deck to the adjustment arm. Once again, putting that washer and cotter pin back where it goes. Just in front of that hook, we have another stabilizing arm that we will need to be removed. A cotter pin and a washer holds it in place. Once removed, that arm could be slid off. We will now repeat the exact same steps on the other side of the unit. With everything disconnected, our blocks of wood can be removed from underneath the mower deck, allowing it to sit on the floor. At this point, we are able to slide the deck out from underneath of the tractor. And there you have it. That's how you remove the mower deck from this John Deere riding mower. Like I said, the steps I took are going to be applicable to the majority of your D-Series John Deere mowers, as well as a lot of the other brands that are on the market. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you have any suggestions of things I could do differently that would make my life easier and others, definitely leave that down below. Thanks for watching, guys.